Hey, foodies, welcome back. Today, we're spotlighting the mighty chickpea, revealing 5 surprising benefits that make them a must-have in your kitchen. Chickpeas are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals like folate, iron, magnesium, and zinc. With abundant soluble fiber, chickpeas promote a healthy gut, aiding digestion and preventing constipation. Your secret weapon for digestive wellness, the fiber-protein combo in chickpeas helps manage blood sugar levels and promotes heart health by lowering cholesterol. A win for diabetes management and cardiovascular wellness. If you're on a journey to manage your weight, garbanzo beans can be a valuable ally. The combination of protein and fiber helps you feel fuller for longer, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. So, incorporating chickpeas into your meals could be a tasty strategy for those looking to shed a few pounds. Chickpeas aren't just healthy, they're versatile in the kitchen. From snacks to desserts, they're a budget-friendly and sustainable option for mindful eating. Ready to reap the benefits? Try chickpeas in your next meal and subscribe for more insights. Stay healthy and happy cooking. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy and healthy cooking.